everyone, my name is Gonçalo Freitas and I'm gonna show you how to manage your pause reasons. So first to start, you need to come here on the left menu to administration, scroll down, and on the work orders box or section, choose pause reasons. Once you're in the screen, you can see all the pause reasons created in the system and their availability to each user. So in order for us to create one, you need to click on the new pause reason button. You can add here the reason you want to create, new example pause reason, and then you can click on the check button and you have already created your pause reason. You can select the users for whom this pause reason is available. You can also delete your pause reason, and you already know how to create. So that's it. Hope you understood everything. Have a nice day.